So our next concept to cover involving simple interest is the U.S. rule for partial payments. What this is described as if there is a note, a loan, and payments are made during the term of the loan, before the deadline. So let's look at an example here and go through how it is calculated. So let's say that Sam borrows $4,700 on March 19th on a 60-day 8.1% note. On day 28, Sam makes a partial payment of $2,500. Find the balance due at maturity at the end. And I also want to find the total interest paid. So to break down this problem, we start out, we have a starting balance of $4,700. Our next action is on day 28. We have a $2,500 payment. So we have to calculate what happens, how the balance is adjusted for that payment. Well, whenever there's an action on a loan, on an account, a simple interest account, the first thing that happens is we calculate the interest. In this problem now, it did not state exact or ordinary interest. Part of the U.S. rule is, as we'd mentioned before, unless it is otherwise stated, we assume ordinary interest. Once that interest is calculated and the balance is adjusted, then the action is performed. In this case, that would be the $2,500 payment. So let's find that interest first. We're going to use I equals PRT. So our principal here is the $4,700. Our rate, it's 8.1% interest, so 0.081. And our time, it was day 28, so it's 28 days since the beginning. Ordinary interest means it's over 360. So 4,700 times 0.081 times 28 divided by 360 gives us $29.61. So now before we make the payment, we adjust the balance by that amount. So we've got the $4,700 plus the $29.61. The new balance is $4,729.61. So now then we are going to make that $2,500 payment. So $4,729.61 minus that payment of $2,500. Leaving us with $2,229.61 is the balance after the payment. Now this still needs to go until the maturity of the note, so we need to figure out now the days left. This was a 60-day note. This was day 28 up here that we were working with, so minus 28 days. That means there's 32 days left. And now we need to calculate the interest for that remaining time. So I equals PRT again. Our principal now is that balance of $2,229.61 that was left after that previous payment. Our rate is still 0.081, 8.1%. And now it's times 32 days out of 360. So 2229.61 times 0.081 times 32 divided by 360. $16.05. So that means our ending balance due, we take our $2,229, which was the balance after that payment, and we add in that $16.05, which was the interest after the payment, to get a balance due of $2,245.66. Our total interest well, we had interest calculated twice here. Remember, at the payment, we had interest of $29.61. And then at the end, we had an additional $16.05 of interest. We add that up to get a total of $45.66 in interest. So those are the two answers, the balance due at the maturity and the total interest on that account. Let's do an example here of more than one payment and a little bit different way of looking at our time frame. So let's say that on October 29th, Alex borrows $6,800 at 6.7% for 90 days. On November 26th, Alex makes a partial payment. I'm just going to say Alex pays $2,200. On December 30th, Alex makes another partial payment. So I'm just going to say Alex pays $2,400. Find the balance due at the end. So the balance due at maturity. And the total interest. So once again, we're starting out here at the beginning. We're going to use the date October 29th. Is it origination? For $6,800 is the beginning of that term. Our next action is on November 26th. That is the $2,200 payment. So let's find some dates here quick. October 29th. October is 302. November 26th is 330. So again, we have to find the number of days gone by here to find the interest. So 330 minus 302 is 28 days that have gone by, have passed. So to find our interest, we have I equals PRT, our principal, $6,800. Our rate, this was a 6.7%, so 0.067. Our time is 28 days, and again, it's assumed to be ordinary, so over 360. So 6,800 times 0.067 times 28 divided by 360. $35.44 is the amount of interest. So now we need that balance before the payment. So I'm going to take my $6,800, add my $35.44, to get $6,835.44. That's the balance before the payment. Then I'm going to subtract my payment of $2,200. So now we've got $4,635.44. That's the balance after the payment. Now our next action is on December 30th, and that's a $2,400 payment. So again, we need to look up the number of days for December 30th, which is 364. And this balance, of course, was after that payment on November 26th, which is day 330. So the days that have gone by there are 364 minus 330. There have been 34 more days that have gone by. So we're going to calculate our interest again. I equals PRT. Now our principal is that balance that was on November date of $4,635.44. Our rate is still 6.7%, so 0.067. And we have 34 days over 360. So 4,635.44 times 0.067 times 34 divided by 360. $29.33 interest. So that amount has to be added in to our $4,635.44. That was our previous balance. We're adding in the interest. To get $4,664.77 is our balance before the payment. Now we're going to subtract that payment of $2,400. To get $2,264.77 is our balance after the payment. Now we still have some time to go here. This was a 90-day note. So far, we've used up 28 days and 34 days. So on a 90-day note, there are 28 days left. So we have to find that remaining interest. I equals PRT. Our principal is that balance after that last payment. $2,264.77 times our rate, 6.7%, 0.067. Our time is that remaining 28 days over 360. So $11.80. Interest. So we need to add that in. Our previous balance of $2,264.77 plus our interest of $11.80. So we get $2,276.57 is our balance before the payment. Or sorry, that's the balance due at maturity. There isn't going to be a payment made here. Due at maturity. So it's not just going to be a partial payment at this point. That is the amount that must be paid on that end date. Now I asked for total interest as well. So to get total interest, I'm going to add up. I have $11.80. I had $29.33. And going all the way back up, $35.44. Adding those all up, we get a total. It's like $76.57 total interest. So that is using this simple interest as applied to partial payments on a note.